Hello everybody, in this video we are going to create an email with encryption using gpg4win. So the first step will be to install the software, and for doing this we are going to the website gpg4win.org, and there we are going to download the latest version. So as I already downloaded, I'm just gonna go and double click the file, say yes to the privilege, and we just wait until it installs. We select English as our language. Next. And here we're gonna just leave it as that. We will use Kleopatra as our user interface to create and manage our private keys and public keys. So we will do next, install. We will wait until it install. We do next, and then we can run Kleopatra and do finish. After installing GPG, Kleopatra is gonna open, and this is the graphical user interface to help us manage our keys. So right now we are going to create our first key pairs, and to do this we go to File, New Key Pair. We choose Create Personal Open PGP Key Pair, and here we enter the information, which is optional. Then we will check protect the generated key with a passphrase, and that's sort of like a password, so it's recommended to do it. Then we go to advanced settings, and here we're gonna choose RSA and the strongest one, which is the bigger one. I will leave it as it is right now. If you want to change the date, you can do it. I will leave it as it is right now. And then we click OK. Then create. And it prompts us to enter our passphrase, so go ahead and do it. And then we click OK. And it's creating it right now. After generating the keys, the next thing will be to export them. So to do that, we would export the public key by doing the right click on the key and export it. You name it as you want it, and we save it. We do the same thing for exporting the private key, and we do right click on the key, but instead of choosing export, we will choose backup secret key. Do the same, name it, and save it. This one is gonna ask us for the passphrase, so enter it. And do OK. So it says that we successfully exported our key. After we imported and exported our keys, the next step will be to give or send our public key to the person who wants to encrypt data for us. To do that, we will create first like a text file with our public key, and we go to where we have stored our public key. We right click on it and we open it with Notepad. So this is our public key. we will copy, and in another text file we will paste it, and this is the file that we're gonna send, so we will save it as a text file, and we name it as you desire to call it. So I will do pop, and we save it. So now that we have our key in a text file, we'll email it, and I will use my account juliet.fo to send the public key to my other account, which is Edith. So we will create a new message to Edith. Message. And this is the key that I am going to send. And I send the text file, the document. Once we get it in another email, or the email of the person who wants to encrypt data with our public key, what we do is we download it, and we just got it. And as I already have that key, we download it, and after downloading it, we go to import it. So we import like a public key. We will come to Kleopatra again, and we click on import, and as you can see, we don't see it here, but because it's a text file, so we will come here down and we select any file, and there it is. So we click on it, we open it, and then it's imported, as I already have my public key in this computer, so it's not going to import it, but if I didn't have it, then it will say imported one. Alright, so we do okay. Now to start encrypting a message with the public key that I already sent, it is the account, we have to create a message. So we will create it here, a message, and I select this one. So what we do is we come here, we copy it, and then we go to Kleopatra here, down here at the bottom. We do right click and we go to clipboard, and then we select encrypt. We add the recipient, which is the public key of Juliet. We select it. We make sure that it's open PGP certificates, and then we do click and next. So it says that it's successfully encrypted. So now we go to another text file and we copy this, and this is our message, which is encrypted with our public key, with Julia's public key. Alright, so we already have encrypted, and the next step will be to send this message to Juliet, because it's already encrypted with it. So we copy it, or we can save it if we want it. So we save it as message 2, as a text file 2. And then we go to Edith, and we will send a new message. Sorry, this is in Spanish. And so we will go to juliet.fo, which is my other email. And then I will just add the message to. We send the email, and we will go and check my other email. So we already got it. We do it the same step done with the key. We download it. Since I already have it here, which I have it here, is the message. Now what we do is we copy this message and we go back to Kleopatra. So it's already. And in Kleopatra we go to Notepad, we paste the message and we will click on decrypt. Now it's gonna ask us for the passphrase for our private key. So we just enter it. We click OK, and there it is. It is decrypted. So I hope you will like my video, and thanks for watching it.